Encountering this kind of industrial style scene, everyone's personal photo shoots, still shooting like this. No atmosphere, and it looks ordinary. Let me show you how to take atmospheric personal photos. Use the architecture and its structure. Have the photographer step back. Ensure the whole scene shows both people and buildings. Maintain a natural posture. Have the photographer take continuous shots. Even if you're not great at posing, you can still capture amazing shots. Seeing this kind of neatly arranged space, don't waste it. Open portrait mode. Move the camera closer. Blur the background. Leave space above your head. Strike a few natural poses. All done. Seeing this kind of staircase, how would you shoot it? Open portrait mode. Move the lens closer. Make sure there's space for a staircase photo. That's picture perfect. You can also have the photographer shoot from below, camera looking up. Ensure the subject is in the center of the frame. You got this. Let's keep it simple and capture great shots.